To fix the Bosch Dishwasher E03 error code, it is essential to understand the meaning, causes, and solutions. The E03 error code typically indicates a problem with the dishwasher's water supply system, specifically a lack of water or improper water temperature. First, check the water supply lines to ensure they are not kinked or blocked. Verify that the water supply valves are fully open and functioning correctly. Next, inspect the dishwasher's filters and clean or replace them if necessary, as clogged filters can restrict water flow and trigger the E03 error. Another possible cause of the E03 error is a faulty water temperature sensor or a malfunctioning heating element. If the sensor or heating element is not working correctly, it can affect the dishwasher's ability to heat water to the optimal temperature, resulting in the error code. To troubleshoot the issue, try resetting the dishwasher by unplugging it from the power source, waiting for a few minutes, and then plugging it back in. If the error persists, it may be necessary to replace the faulty component, such as the water temperature sensor or heating element. In some cases, the E03 error can be caused by a software issue, and updating the dishwasher's firmware may resolve the problem. It is recommended to consult the user manual or contact a professional for assistance with firmware updates. To prevent future occurrences of the E03 error, regular maintenance is crucial. This includes checking and cleaning the filters, inspecting the water supply lines, and running a cleaning cycle every 1 to 3 months to remove grease and food residue. By following these steps and understanding the causes and solutions of the Bosch Dishwasher E03 error code, you can resolve the issue efficiently and effectively, ensuring your dishwasher operates smoothly and effectively.